Alright, we have made it to the Splashin Safari today. Yesterday we were actually in Holiday World. We were planning on going to Splashin Safari in the afternoon. We did not, however. So today is Wednesday. We're going to be at Splashin Safari this afternoon. It's about 1 o'clock. We got our free drinks. And we're going to see what this place is all about. Got a feeling there's a lot of people in here right now, so it's pretty hot.
You want him to have a wristband? This is to get in the water.
Are you making a YouTube video?
$15. I will say they will not allow those in some rides. Actually, most.
Okay.
The camera?
Yeah.
I have a GoPro.
That's how it
Right
works.
here is first.
Oh, do you have your wallet?
Wristbands to get in.
I'm looking for mine. I didn't even bring mine.
So when you rent a locker, scan it, and your door opens up. Pretty slick. Like this right over here was a lazy river. And if you look right up there is the Voyage. So when you ride the Voyage, you can look off to the left and overlook this whole water park, which is pretty cool. Looks like there's a pretty good line. Went up for that inner tube ride, so. It got some cabanas, however you pronounce it. And that must be these right here where you can rent. And you got your own little shack for the day also right down here. And you can go back and get in the shade. And there's what they call the Cheetah Chase, which I guess is a big inner tube ride. And then we're going into what they call the Kima Bay, which looks like one great big water park deal. Buddy, you got to stay with us, okay?
Just said you can't take off.
Did you hear what Mom said? You got to be paying attention, okay? There's a lot of people here. We don't want you to get lost, okay? All right. It's kind of hard to find a seat. I think we're going to try and take these two seats for now. And look here, they got some lifeguards on hand, which is a good thing for the kids. And lots of water on a hot day. All right, here we go. Josie and I are gonna walk by. All right, come on, Josie. I don't have my waterproof cord on this camera, so I taped it up. Wow, look at the water coming down. Woo! What do you think, Joe? What do you think, Josie? Brother, hey Josie. Big brother is up there somewhere. I don't know where he's at. Oh, I see him up there. He's up there, got his hat on. Oh, Joe's, the bucket's fixing to tip, Joe's. Whoa! Whoa. All right, go, buddy. Come on, Joe. Wanna go up here? Let's run underneath here. Let's go underneath here. Oh, look how it goes. Woo! Ready, Joe? What do you think, Joe? Hang on, Brett. Here we go. Hey, Brett, I'll win you. No, you didn't. When that light goes green. Oh, go ahead, buddy. It's green. Good. Well, that's fine. I'm not going too fast. Not going too fast for old Dad here. Whoa, you're getting Mom wet. Oh, man. Turn it on, Joe. Here. Oh! Hey everybody, so I'm going to kind of film everybody in 4K here, but this park is excellent. They still got the Oasis, so free drinks and free sunscreen all day long, every day, and free parking. And this place is huge. Here's the Cheetah Chase back behind me here. And then down here is the Lazy River. All of that is Lazy River all the way through. I'll get a little bit better view of that here in just a minute. Look at this. This is massive. There's a lot of people. Now this is on a Wednesday also. And there's the Cheetah Chase, and then now the, I don't know, the B-A-K-U-L-I, Bakuli, I guess, a big slide, and then you got your Lazy River all through, and your little tents, and you stay in the shade. And you look right over here, and there is the Voyager, which is an extremely good ride. I highly recommend that. And this park is inside. This park is actually inside of Holiday World. So if you get a Holiday World ticket, I believe you can come into Splashin Safari. I believe. I might be wrong on that, but we got the 3-day flex package because we were camping at Lake Rudolph, which had free transportation back and forth, and the shuttles ran every 15 minutes, which worked out excellent for us, and just happened to be about 2 sites over we could get on a shuttle. So I'm gonna do a little filming of these slides in here, and we're gonna go back up and film the kids. And of course, if you get hot, you can rent these cabanas, and it looks to me like they've got a little refrigerator in there with water. Looks like a little storage compartment in there. You got the table to eat, chairs to lay out, and of course you're in the shade. You don't have to deal with trying to grab a lawn chair. So it's a really, really nice water park. There's more of the lazy river, more of the cabanas, and your lazy river that comes around. It looks like it actually kind of merges in. That's why it looked like it was so packed a while ago, because I guess this splits off into two different sections. And right up on the hill is an oasis, which also has got your free drinks and then your free sunscreen, which I just loaded up on, which is Australian Gold 50 SPF. And we actually put our sunscreen in the locker, which they give you, or they don't give you, but you can rent a locker, and they give you a wristband that has a barcode. You scan it and your locker door opens up, but I was not going to walk all the way back over, so I took advantage of the free sunscreen this round. Now there's two different slides here, and the one where the slides are going up is the Zimbabwe, I guess is what that's called. And then the big one right over here is called the Zynga. Now there are lots of lifeguards out here, so that's also a plus for the parents. And then right here they've got some speed slides, and listen to me, here they come right now, and they're moving on pretty quick down through there. So, and there's definitely bathrooms, and there's Jungle Jake's, got pizza, chicken, and fries. You got barbecue over here, another oasis, and the oasis, there is a lot of oasis around this park, and trash cans is unbelievable. There must be, at one time yesterday in Holiday World, I counted 8 trash cans in the one spot that I was standing. I could look around, there was 8 trash cans. It's extremely clean park, and very, very kid friendly, very kid friendly. And here, we'll watch them go down one more time, and then we're gonna go back up and film Preston and Josie. Josie is wore out. The water park has got her. Here they go. Somebody's getting their slides ready. I highly recommend this. Free parking, free sunscreen, free drinks. The ticket prices are not bad at all. Like I say, we are staying at Lake Rudolph, which has a free shuttle service. It works out excellent. Comes around about every 15 minutes or so, and works out great. Here we go. They're gonna go one more time. They're going down those slides. Alrighty, let's go back on top with the kiddos. And while I'm still down on this lower level of the park, this is Music Bay, which I believe they have little water programs every now and then, little shows that go on in this whole area. You can sit all around here. There's some shade with tables you can sit at, and I'm sure there's one fixing to go on because there are some lifeguards standing nearby. Once again, there are lifeguards everywhere, which is very, very nice. And another oasis. We've had the kids in Kima Bay today, which is all slides, water attraction, and they do let the adults go down with your child. There is a lifeguard that I've been seeing walk the perimeter every little bit. She makes a loop, and right here there's 1, 2, 3, 4 that I can see right now, and there's 2 behind me. So there's definitely, if you feel uncomfortable with your child in water, you'll feel a lot more secure with lots of lifeguards. And right now we got the kids up here on top. Josie's out like a light, and Preston's going down a couple slides. So while we stopped at the oasis, I did pay attention to, there is another, I assume that is another wave pool, and it is, it's pretty crowded, but I believe that is a more of an adult wave pool right there. So I wouldn't take the little kids in there. The littler kids, there is one back behind me, And when the elephant starts making noises, the waves are gonna come out on that one. So. Back to Rudolph Campground. Everybody's here right now. We're all headed back to the camper. It's been an excellent day at Splashin Safari. I think we have a little chicken to cook up tonight, get these kids down, and tomorrow we're going to a fireworks warehouse where, yes, indeed, we are going to get some fireworks for the 4th.
And Abe Lincoln.
And a what?
And this is go by the
Oh, we're going by the Abe Lincoln birthplace?
no, I think it's childhood.
Childhood. So another big day tomorrow. Won't be as big as the theme park, but still excellent parking here. I highly recommend it. And there is 2 kids that are wore out and 2 adults that are pretty well fizzled out also. So we'll see you back at the camper here in just a bit.